Hey everyone, today I'm so excited to share with you this amazing journey with you. So, I am taking you to the beautiful resort that is in Hyderabad, where we did a lot of things, we did several activities, and we played fun game, and I enjoyed a day. It was like a dream day for me. So please watch this video till the end so that you can get all the benefit from these videos. Here I'm not only talking about resort, you will also learn your English, some vocab, sentence structure, and you are going to learn English in a real way. So let's start it. See, we all need a break in our routine, right? So, if you are looking a kind of gateway where you can really feel peaceful, unwind, and enjoy a peaceful time, so this place is worth it. Seriously, because this place name is Korean Resort that is in Hyderabad. So there we made a lot of reels, we clicked some pictures. See, here's my picture. What do you think about it? And I got a cottage to stay there, and that was my first experience. Look at this amazing, beautiful cottage where I spent a day. This cottage was really beautiful. That look at the surrounded, which is full of greenery, trees, and in the morning I shot this video that was full of fog too. And there were a lot of trees over there. It was so big, there were a lot of trees like a pomegranate, chiku, oranges. There were several trees over there. So even I went there for the first time, but it was worth it. Even honestly speaking, I didn't want to back from there. So I went there with my friends and a family, and we explored that. It was spread in a 4 acre. We were going from one place to another by cart, and that cart was free for everyone. So if you want to see something, we want to explore something, so we just called a cart, and he came near our cottage and he picked up and he showed everything to us. There were a lot of activities also over there for kids, for young people, and everyone. As you can see, every cottage has a special number that is given to the person who pay for it, right? So now I'm going to move forward to the next area, that is activities area. Look at this. If you get a chance to spend a day in a beautiful cottage, right? What will you do, guys? So please let me know in my comment box so that I can know little bit about you. I really like your comments, but you don't give me, right? So if you are watching video, please don't forget to give me comments so that it more motivating for me to make more videos. Otherwise, I really feel demotivating sometimes. Now I'm going to take you to the next part of this resort where we did several activities. As you can see, there is a net practice ground where we played cricket. That was my first experience and I really enjoyed it. There was a football ground, as you can see, cricket practice over there, and trampoline. Have you ever enjoyed over here? And this is a very nice and safe area for kids where kids love to jump over there. This is called trampoline, and you can see a swing. That is the first time I have seen in my life this kind of swing that I am going to show you in these videos, because that is a really amazing swing. Look at this, and as you can see, there is a pot under the tree that is free from everyone. They can drink water from there. So now I am going to take you to the mini golf area, which was really amazing, full of fun. Even I played this game for the first time. Since weather was cold, so I wore sweatshirt, cap, and exploring that beautiful area that I got a chance to explore it. As you can see, this area was really amazing. Now it's time to enter mini golf area that is really well designed and it's enjoyable for all age group. And this was my first experience to play this mini golf game with my friends and some family member. So first of all, that really catch my eyes that this beautiful place that is well designed, as you can see, right? What do you think about this place? Look at this place, that is amazing. Even we used this mini golf area to make some reels too, and that was really kind of fun as it was full of greenery surrounded by a lush plants and everything. So that really gave me an amazing feeling over there. Now it's time to take you to show you another part of this beautiful resort. So this is the place where people can sit and talk to that surrounded by greenery, and I'm sure person must feel a different vibes over there. So now it's time to show you a beautiful cottage inside, right? So hi everyone. So finally I got a place to sit and I sit here, and I think this is the best time to talk with you. So how are you doing, my YouTube family? How's your life going on? And what about your English practice? As you know, 2026 has started, right? So what's your plan for this year? So please give in my comment box so that I can know a little bit about you too. So actually yesterday I came to this resort, and then today I'll check out from this. So this is amazing place. It's really too big, and there are a lot of things to do. There are a lot of activities, swimming pool, indoor game, outdoor game, everything over here. And the thing that really I like it is our beautiful I did cycling there, and this is the main part of my activities that I personally enjoyed it. And you know, when I started riding cycle, it reminded me my college day when I used to ride cycle with my friends. That was such a beautiful memory in my life, and I felt like again I am living in the same memory when I got cycle that was free for everyone, and in the morning when I ride it. As you can see, this is small breeze that people love to walk there. See how many members we were. We were so many members with kids, with some aunties and our friends. So we all are there with all ages group. That was amazing. Here we took some picture. We enjoyed over there. We spent time with greenery and plants and in a natural environment. I think we all looking a kind of a day that we spend with a beautiful nature. I think nature is the greatest therapy for everyone. So if you feel sometimes if you feel like stuck or busy, so everyone should enjoy this kind of time. Here we enjoyed cart riding, right? So we all were sitting on the cart, and he showed us a lot of things that was in the resort. There were so many plants, cricket nets, several activities. As I told you, that resort was really big. It spread in 4 acre, and you can understand it's really big, right? So that cart uncle showed me a lot of things, and he explained everything. That was amazing. Look at this amazing view in the resort. So, what do you think? Do you really like this resort? And if you are the one who is looking Gateway near Hyderabad, so I must say, This place is really beautiful. You should go there and enjoy at least one day. That was such an amazing experience you have in a life. So now you tell me, have you ever explored any resort that you really like it? So please give me in my comment box so that I can know a little bit about you too. And don't forget to tell me, did you really enjoy my blog and which part of the blog that you really like it, guys? So please let me know because you are my motivation. I make videos for you so that you can enjoy it as well as you can learn something from my video, from my experience. Sometimes making conversational video is good, but sometimes I feel like making this kind of practical videos really help you to improve your English as well as you can experience this beautiful life as I did. All right, so let's move to the next activities, that is the planning. These are like net gain. There were a lot of activities over there, and I really like there. Look at this chair swing, that swing, and this place was amazing. As you, now you enjoy it, please. So now after exploring everything, doing lot of things, it's time to move towards the lunch. That was amazing. So we actually our breakfast was included in our resort booking. So we went. So this is the morning, and we went for breakfast. So I'm going to show you what did I get in a breakfast that was from that resort side, right? So as in Hyderabad, that is in South India, so they offered us a different kind of breakfast that can be helpful for everyone, for kids, for younger, and for elder. So as you can see, upma, poha, utpam, they have a different kind of varieties. This bunda, bada, and that is very common in South India. So if you ever visited in any South Indian restaurant, so this kind of thing definitely you get it. But if you ever visited in a North Indian restaurant, so definitely you would go for a parathas like aloo parathas, paneer paratha, and everything, right? So after having our breakfast, now we move for the indoor game. So as you can see, people are playing a different kind of game over here. And can I know which game do you really like? And have you ever played this game as kids are really playing? So there the most part is that we don't need to worry about our kids because they had got good company over there. So they really enjoyed it. So now it's time to wrap up for today itself. Say bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.